we can do immediately. One of the basic steps that we believe is, which I just mentioned also, that you replace one of your smallest of the assignments, whichever you're doing per semester, into an interdisciplinary assignment, and do a joint project between two departments. And it is going to be absolutely doing wonders for you, because what students do, what they learn by experience, because if they learn something from experience, it can be actually a game changing thing for them. For example, let's take another example. Now suppose let's have a measurement activity kind of a setup. Maybe we all are in classrooms, and we can ask the students that, can you measure the actual classroom dimensions? They can measure the actual classroom dimensions. Can they calculate where would the fan be placed if you have to build the same room? How much power would be consumed in kilowatt hours or whatever it is? And the lighting requirement, how much lighting would be required in this basic setup, simple setup, classroom measurement. What is this applying? Concepts are applied here. Basic mathematics could be applied, your electrical fundamentals maybe, then engineering drawing. And what is going to majorly happen from this is that they will observe. Some of them will make a cohort and observe and try to measure the classroom. They'll measure, they'll calculate, they'll validate. And so what is happening here? They've come out of these textbook numericals with various departments, or within their department also. They have come out of this environmental comfort, engineering drawing comfort, electrical fundamentals comfort, and basic mathematics, and they have applied all these concepts to get a grasp of, and they can tell you now, they can come to the HOD and tell us, sir, if we want a similar infrastructure in the future, this is the amount of power supply, this is the amount of things we need. So that shows that in that college the students are actually applying what they learn, and these students can be absolutely top notch if they've started to solve small problems in their colleges with these kind of multidisciplinary learnings. And this could be an assignment, this could be turned into an assignment with 30% weightage to maybe a calculation, 30% weightage to how they're presenting these things. Very simple things could be, good game changing thing.
Watch more recordings on emerging technologies and job readiness on iur.ls/TCS iON webinar page.